Hey there, office warriors. Welcome to Life Mastery. It's that time of the year again when the sun is shining, and everyone is making the most of their summer adventures. But don't worry if you're stuck inside your office while your friends flaunt their tan lines. Today, we've got you covered with 15 awesome ways to make your office summer friendly. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because you won't want to miss these tips. Tip 1. Summery sips. Let's start by quenching your thirst with a little fruity twist. Say goodbye to plain water and hello to delicious fruit-infused water. Check out these easy DIY recipes that you can prepare at home and keep chilled in the office fridge. Tip 2. Groovy playlist. Time to amp up the office vibes. Create a new playlist featuring all your favorite summer hits. Whether it's a classic summer anthem or a song that only you relate to the season, get your office mates involved in curating the perfect summer soundtrack. Tip 3. Beachy workspace. Inject some beachy colors into your workspace for an instant mood lift. Consider adding a vibrant poster, a cool desktop sandbox, or even an adorable fish tank decoration to transport yourself to the oceanfront. Tip 4. Frozen treat happy hour. Summer Fridays or not, let's create a special happy hour right in the office. Grab some ice cream sundaes or ice cream sandwiches and treat yourself to a refreshing break. Trust me, it's productivity boosting. Tip 5. Bring the sun indoors. Beat the cubicle blues with some sunshine magic. Brighten up your workspace with a new lamp or invest in a happy light to mimic the warm glow of the sun. Tip 6. Summer wardrobe revamp. Time to switch up your wardrobe and embrace the summer style. Spice up your office attire with summer-inspired pieces that still follow the dress code. Leave those winter outfits behind. Tip 7. Barbecue lunch breaks. Don't settle for the same old sandwiches. Treat yourself to a delicious barbecue-inspired lunch with hot dogs, burgers, and tasty sides like coleslaw and beans. Tip 8. Vitamin D boost. Take a breather outside during the day to soak up some vitamin D. Even a short break in the fresh air will re-energize you and boost your productivity. Tip 9. Freezer fun. Stock the office freezer with popsicles and share the joy with your coworkers. These icy treats will keep you cool and make you new friends. Tip 10. Desk greenery. Create your own office oasis with small plants that bring a touch of nature to your desk. Even indoors, you'll feel refreshed by the sight of green. Tip 11. Flexible summer schedule. Make your schedule more summer friendly by coming in an hour earlier or rearranging meetings to enjoy those late night summer rays. Tip 12. Refreshing lunch breaks. Make the most of your lunch breaks by eating outdoors, getting a quick mani-pedi, or enjoying a good book in the sunshine. Tip 13. Summer Friday friends. Connect with your fellow Summer Friday coworkers and start a tradition of grabbing lunch together at an outdoor restaurant. It's a fun way to celebrate the season. Tip 14. Commute adventure. Add some excitement to your daily routine by exploring new commute routes. Walking or biking to work can be refreshing and rejuvenating. Tip 15. Office sports fun. Bring summer sports to the office for a quick and fun break. Play frisbee or cornhole with your coworkers during break time to get those summer vibes flowing. There you have it, 15 little ways to enjoy summer even when you're stuck in the office. So don't let FOMO get the best of you. Incorporate these tips into your work life, and you'll find that summer feels right at home in your office space. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow office buddies. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips, and until next time, stay cool, stay productive, and enjoy your summer, even indoors. See you soon.